What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Mew. Wanted to cover this, it's by far one of the strongest meme coins right now. I'm not sure, in terms of, there's a lot of things I wanted to talk about, but in terms of volume at least, it's up there. Market cap wise, there's also still room for growth here, but you can see in terms of volume, it's top 6. Above something like Floki, Turbo, Boom, Popcat, which all, or at least some of them have a much higher market cap. Technically also still looks bullish, so I wanted to give you my thoughts. We'll do a full analysis in this. So let's get right into it. Now, what I do want to talk about is that there's some rumors about who's pushing Mew. Because if you compare Mew with other meme coins, it's by far the strongest, right? Maybe Popcat or maybe something like Memecoin is also doing well. But Mew is being pushed by someone or some group. There's rumors about that. In terms of like the way I view Mew is that it's just very bullish. It has a relatively low market cap, or at least it used to have that in the last couple of days. It's super traded in Asia. As you can see, a lot of volume from Bitdump, OKX, HTX, SuperX. So what I do think is that it's being manipulated to a certain extent. Usually if there's a lot of volume coming from Bitdump, OKX, and then especially SuperX and DigiFinex, there is manipulation. Now, the thing is that a lot of things in crypto are manipulated, all right? So if you are not going to trade manipulated coins, you cannot trade anything. So that's the thing. I do think Mew is very bullish here, but I do want to warn you for the things that can happen, all right? At some point of time, Mew is going to sell off hard. Maybe after that it will rally again, but be prepared for that, all right? Don't risk your life savings in this, especially not when the risk is a big crash and the reward with a $750 million market cap is already limited. But all right, if you look at Mew right now, as you can see earlier this morning, we gained a lot of new momentum. Before that, you can see until like the 22nd, we gained a ton of momentum as well. Lost some yesterday with a bit of a pullback. But like I said, it's gaining again right now. So the big question is all right, there seems to be some sort of a resistance level right here between, well, let's say 8,500. There's a bit of a resistance. We need to break above that. Is that most likely? I think so, yes. All right, I expect the markets to continue to be bullish. I think Mew technically is bullish after yesterday we dropped down below the trend band a little bit, but got a strong reaction. And then apart from that, also respected it earlier this night. We are gaining momentum. There's a bit of a divergence between the momentum and the price, where the momentum is already higher than the price, which is, I would say, a bullish divergence. So yes, in general, I do expect, maybe with some sort of a pullback, that we will break out and rally up higher towards that level at 1 cent before dropping down. So that's what I expect. Like I said, so some sort of a pullback into this level right here between 0.8 and 0.75 cents is to be expected. We do need to hold that, all right? We do need to find strong support there. If we don't, then that's a sign that this might be the top and that this is some sort of a big triple top, which always is a possibility. But like I said, due to the momentum right now and the market circumstances, I would say it's more likely that we will continue to be bullish than that this is a triple top. But in the end, be cautious, all right? This is what I expect. I would say at this moment, it's better to wait for either the pullback and a strong reaction and enter there if you want to enter, or wait for the breakout and enter there if you want to enter. Because at this moment, we are, you're basically longing into the resistance. And sure, I do think it will break, but why not wait for it to break before entering, right? It's a minimal price difference. But those are my thoughts, right? That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.